How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. First things first, I just wanted to wish all of you a very happy new year. With that being said, this is January and I have got you 8 amazing applications that you should definitely download for this month. Guys, I will be giving away free promo codes for 4 different applications, so if you want to win one, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Since it's our first video of this year, let's aim for 2000 likes on this one. I know you guys will do it. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have an application that goes by the name called Friendspire. This is in no way a new Android application, but I think it is definitely an app worth revisiting. Basically it helps you find your favorite movies, TV shows, books and podcasts as well. I know a lot of us spend so much of time searching through the web or scrolling Netflix just to find the right content to watch. The app takes your preferences and it asks you which is your favorite genre and then start recommending the content that it thinks worth your time. All the recommendations that you see here are personalized for you and I think it works really well. Once you like something, simply click on it and you will see the trailer, IMDb rating, and you can also see where it is streaming and the star cast of the movie as well. The app also allows you to make selection and add filters depending on what you're looking for. All in all, it's a really good application and it definitely saves you from the hassle of searching good content through the web. Next up, we have an application called Pallete. Pallete is your one-stop shop for finding beautifully designed and highly customized home screen setups. If you love customizing your Android home screen, then this is an app that you should definitely download. In the app, you will find some beautiful setups that are created by different users, and if you like something, simply tap to see all the details and applications that are required to make that setup. You can also download the backup file to easily replicate a setup on your device. Apart from this, the app also offers different categories that you can choose from, and the overall interface is really good with smooth animations. This app is made by a fellow YouTuber Sam Beckman, and if you are into customization, then I will highly recommend you to give it a try. At number 3 we have Device Info. It's a simple and a powerful application that gives you complete information about your Android smartphone. Once you open up the application, you can see your RAM usage, CPU status, battery health, and the number of applications that you have installed in your phone. Not only this, you can also see your device and system information along with the CPU details. Then you can check your battery health, and the app also shows you the information related to your display, network, sensors and more. There is also a separate section that allows you to test all your device components. So if you want to check whether everything is working fine with your device, then you can do that as well. I think it's a perfect application for someone who always wants to keep a check on his phone's condition. Even though the app is completely free to download, I was able to get 10 promo codes that will help you to remove the ads. If you want to win one, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. I will be sharing them on my Telegram group. Next up, we have got the wallpaper app for this month called Radia Walls. This is an app that I have recently came across and it has quickly become one of my favorite applications when it comes to finding some high quality wallpapers. The app has a unique collection of exclusive wallpapers and all these wallpapers will definitely make your home screen stand out. It's a paid wallpaper application, but if you need some unique wallpapers, something that not a lot of people are using, then this is an app that you should consider downloading. It also comes with 5 different categories of wallpapers that you can choose from, and the UI is extremely smooth as well. Guys, I am giving away 30 promo codes for this amazing wallpaper application, so if you want to get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. The next app is actually a widget pack called KWGT. This is where today's widget is from. I knew I would get a lot of questions asking about my home screen, so I thought why not go ahead and feature it in today's video. This pack comes with 80 beautifully designed minimal widgets, and if you combine them with a perfect wallpaper, then it will definitely make your home screen look amazing. The app also comes with 30 exclusive wallpapers, so you don't have to go wallpaper hunting. Well, it's not a free widget pack, it is a paid one, but thanks to the developer, I do have 30 promo codes to give away. To get one, you just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. Again, it's a first come first serve basis. Moving on, we have a very useful application that goes by the name called Black Screen. This is an app that lets you play videos with screen off. Basically, when you are listening to a podcast or watching any music videos on YouTube, then there is no need of keeping your screen on. In situations like this, what you can do is, you can use this application to turn off your screen and save a lot of your battery. Simply enable black screen within the application and then you will have this floating button. Now whenever you are listening to a podcast or any music on your phone, you just need to tap on this button and it will turn off your screen while you can continue listening to your favorite songs. If your device comes with an AMOLED screen, then this will definitely save you some battery. Next up, we have an app called Cache. This is a very handy application that lets you select any text. You can copy it and send it to your notification panel. Let's say if you read something online and if you want to save that for later, or you just want to add it as a reminder, now you can easily do it with the help of this application. All you have to do is just select the text that you want to save and select stash. It will get saved to your notification panel and then you can use it as a reminder. I think it's a great application that works really well, and it even lets you categorize your reminders with different tags. The free version only allows you to save up to 15 times and then you have to pay for it. But the developer was kind enough to provide me with 30 promo codes. If you want to get one, just make sure you have subscribed to my Telegram channel where I will be sharing these promo codes. Finally, we have an application called Newsreels. This is a great way to stay up to date on the latest news and headlines around the world. You can browse different topics, categories, you can follow different news channels, and when you don't have enough time, you can make use of this TikTok-like feature that is Newsreels. One thing that I really liked about this application is the user interface that looks clean and modern. All in all, it's a great application, and if you want to stay updated with the latest news, then make sure you try this one out. So that's pretty much it, guys. These were some amazing applications that you should definitely download for this month. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.